So we're looking at non-collinear vectors. And we have an example of a car that drives 10 kilometers east and then 7 kilometers south. Determine its entire displacement. So we're going to use that tip to tail. So first of all, it does 10 kilometers. Then it goes 7 kilometers south. You know what? South. Let's do south. 7 kilometers south. So tip to tail. Tip. Now I need to put the tail of my next vector here, and it needs to go 7. Notice that the second vector should be a little bit shorter than the first. Now I go from my starting point to the tip of my last vector, and here is my resultant. This was 10 kilometers east and 7 kilometers south. Okay, so how long is this resultant? Well, some of you should say, well, you know what? Between east and south, there's exactly 90 degrees. So here I have a 90-degree triangle, and I want to know the hypotenuse. In order to do that, I could say that the resultant squared is equal to 10 squared plus 7 squared. Should be 10.0. I know that because I'm using Pythagoras. Okay, so to get r by itself, I'm going to go 10 squared plus 7 squared. So 100 plus 49, and then do the square root of 149. When I did that, I got 12 on my calculator, 12.206 55, I think I got. This is in kilometers. Significant figures says that I can have 2 significant figures, so 12 kilometers. Okay, what direction is this in? That's what I need to figure out now. Well, I know it's east towards south, so it's something east and then so many degrees towards the south. So I go in the direction east and I rotate south. But how much do I rotate? Well, to find that, I could use tan. Opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. So the tangent of that angle that I don't know is equal to opposite over adjacent is equal to 7 kilometers over 10 kilometers. To find the angle, then I inverse tan, or the tan to the -1 button on your calculator. Okay, so I'm going to get my calculator out, see if I can get it to work while it's live. We need scientific. And I have to go, I'm not sure how to do it on this one. I'm going to have to press pause and do it on my traditional calculator. 1 second. Okay, once I did this, I got 35 degrees. So it's 12 kilometers east, 35 degrees towards the south. So again, we went east and then we rotated 35 degrees towards the south.